Entry doors. Dallas Installation, Texas, is a crucial service for homeowners and businesses looking to enhance their property's curb appeal and security. With a wide range of options, including fiberglass entry doors, steel entry doors, and wooden entry doors, residents can find the perfect fit for their style and budget. Custom entry doors in Dallas offer personalized solutions to meet specific design preferences and functional needs. Front door replacement in Dallas is essential for maintaining the safety and aesthetic appeal of your home. Whether you're looking for energy-efficient doors or need a complete door frame repair, professional services in Dallas ensure a seamless installation process. Entry door maintenance in Dallas is vital for prolonging the lifespan of your doors and keeping them in top condition. Custom entry doors in Dallas provide homeowners with the opportunity to express their unique style while ensuring maximum security. With options like door lock installation and door security upgrades, residents can feel safe and secure. Door design consultation in Dallas helps clients choose the best materials and styles for their entry doors, ensuring a perfect match for their home or business. Energy-efficient doors in Dallas are becoming increasingly popular as residents seek to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. These doors are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Entry door sealing and door weatherproofing in Dallas are essential services to enhance the energy efficiency of your doors. Door repair services in Dallas are available for both residential and commercial entry doors. From door frame repair to entry door painting, skilled technicians can address any issues to restore the functionality and appearance of your doors. Entry door customization in Dallas allows for personalized touches, such as unique finishes and hardware, to create a one-of-a-kind look. Residential entry doors. Dallas come in various styles, including sliding entry doors and French entry doors, to suit different architectural designs. Door hardware installation in Dallas ensures that all components, from handles to locks, are securely fitted for optimal performance. Entry door accessories in Dallas, such as decorative glass and side lights, add a touch of elegance to any entryway. Commercial entry doors in Dallas require robust solutions to withstand heavy use and provide security. Steel entry doors in Dallas are a popular choice for businesses due to their durability and strength. Door security upgrades in Dallas, including advanced locking systems, offer peace of mind for business owners. Storm doors installation in Dallas provides an additional layer of protection against harsh weather conditions. These doors help to shield your main entry doors from rain, wind, and debris, extending their lifespan. Patio doors installation in Dallas offers seamless indoor-outdoor transitions, enhancing the functionality and appeal of your living space. Fiberglass entry doors. Dallas are known for their durability and low maintenance requirements. They offer the look of real wood without the associated upkeep, making them a popular choice for homeowners. Entry door painting in Dallas allows for color customization to match your home's exterior.